Hello guys, in today's video we'll learn how can we take users input in Rust. So we have to first say let mutable input, and then we can define a string new. So basically this will create a new string to take our input because we are taking input from command line. So now we can say io stdin. This is input output standard library in Rust to take the input, and then we say read line, and then we pass the reference of our input variable. We'll discuss references and how to pass them in detail in the following videos, but for now let's focus on the input taking. And then we can say print you typed, and then we can say users input. Also, let's give a prompt to the user so they know they have to input something. Please type. Okay, so let's compile it. We say rustc main.rs, and then we can say main. So we can say main. So it's saying please type, and it's stopping for our input. So we say new to Rust, and then it prints you type new to Rust. So that's just the easy way to take users input in Rust.